and there's like 33. And then soundings in feet, so it's 33 feet. Okay? So I might ask you, what's your bearing from A to C? So if I was driving from A to C. So then I'd have to use my parallel rules, and I would walk it to either of my compass rose. It doesn't matter which one you use. It doesn't matter which side you line it up on. It doesn't matter what edge. So if I were going from A to C, remember I need to read it up on the upper edge here. If I were going from C to A, I need to read it on the lower edge here. And you always use the outside circle, that's what I'm looking for. So if we're doing A, I'm just going to kind of continue the line up there like that. And I can see it's about 20 degrees. So that would be my bearing from A to C. Okay, so I'm also going to ask you, what's the distance between 2 points? So the easy way to do this is just use your dividers and put one on one point and the other point there. And then just drag it over to the edge, because each minute is equal to 1 nautical mile. So every time the outside bar switches colors, that's 1 nautical mile. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I just count it off. So it's like 4.3 nautical miles. You could also bring it down here to the scale. Just make sure you start on 0. And then if you get towards where you have like a little bit left, make sure you do that little bit, and then you can do the points off from there. But I think it's easiest this way, because it's just all straight line. And the final thing is you're going to have to find the latitude and longitude of a point. So if I were asked what the latitude and longitude of point B, take it. It doesn't matter which to start with. So I'm going to start with longitude, which remember is vertical lines. So I have 1 point on B, and then 1 point on my nearest line of longitude. And then I just drag it down following the line. And all it says here is 50 minutes, so now I have to find the degrees first. So it's 83 degrees, but seeing as B is not quite to 50 minutes, so yours is 45, so then you just count up 46, 47, and 47.7. So it's, what hemisphere are we in?
1.
For longitude, west. So it's west, 83 degrees, 47.7 minutes.
And we do in the decimals, we don't do degrees, minutes, seconds.
Right, yeah. Okay, so now if we're finding the latitude, once again you can use either line of latitude you want to. So 1 on the point and 1 on your nearest line. Once again, so we're at 29 degrees, 30 minutes, and we're going up. So let's see. What hemisphere? North. So north, 29 degrees, 35.2 minutes. Good? And you guys can practice if you like. So. Get a feel for it. But those are the 4 things I'm going to ask you to know for the practical.
Great.